So once you click on the answer bot, you are brought to a page which looks like this, and you can see that you can change the thumbnail image for what shows up over here, sort of the icon for the bot, and then you can give it a name, right? And you can have a description which is going to show up like this. Now the important thing that you would be interested in is the working hours. I have set it to be 24/7, which means that it's always the bot is going to be answering the user, and not the message from the user is not going to go to the operator. But you can also change it to make it like during standard business hours. If you want, you can have it only for during non-business hours when nobody is likely to be answering the chat. And then you can also do it so that it's available when the operators are offline and unavailable, but during business hours. And since this is, for me, this is a chat bot, I'm just going to keep it as 24/7. And then you can see that you have to associate some departments with this particular bot, and this list is based on the departments which are associated with that particular brand. Okay, so that is, as far as the bot profile is concerned, those are the options that you have.